Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome everyone, welcome back to Sandusky District Library's virtual story time. This is week 1 of our winter series, so I'm so glad you're here, and Mr. Pigeon is too. Thank you, Mr. Pigeon, for helping me with the story time song. So we're gonna put him over there so he can listen to the story time stories as well. So today we are going to read books about snow. But before we get started, I think I need to get ready if we're going to read books about snow, right? So I want you to think, what do we need if we want to go outside and play in the snow? What do you think? I think you're right. I need a hat. Okay, got my hat on. I'm gonna need a scarf and a coat. Put my coat on. Okay, so I've got my hat, my scarf, my coat. I need some gloves, right? Gotta get my hair. All right, gloves. Okay, I think I'm all ready now to read our books about snow. Okay, so our first book is called, and it's brand new here at the Sandusky District Library, called Snowfalls. Oh, right. And it's by Kate Gardner and Brandon James Scott. Snow starts. Snow softens. Snow tricks. Snow tracks. Look at where all that little person went. Snow blows. Snow glows. Oh, how pretty. Snow slides. Snow hides. Look at that. Snow snows. And snows and snows. Snow smiles. That's a lot of snowmen, right? Snow shields. Oh, look at. Snow flies. Snow glides. Gliding down the river. Until at last, snow goes. The end. Okay, so because we're doing snow today, we are going to make some rocking snowmen. Okay, so in your Storytime craft kit, and if you haven't pictures up yet, that's okay. There's still plenty of time left to order yours for this week and next week's. In your kit, you're going to get a paper plate that's already folded and glued like it's supposed to. You're going to get your hat, your scarf, your carrot nose, and then this little red piece is for your hat as well. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take a black marker, a black pencil, crayon, whatever you have at your house, and you're going to make black dots and for the snowman, and then you're going to take your scarf, glue or tape it. And remember, when we're gluing things on like a paper, when we're gluing things, it's best to hold it for a little while before you move on to the next thing, so that you make sure that it really sticks. Okay, and then after you've got that glued, you're going to glue your carrot nose where you think the carrot nose should go. And before you glue your top hat on, take this little red sheet of paper and glue it like so for a little decoration on your top hat, and then glue it onto your paper plate. Okay, so, and then the final thing is you take a black marker, pen, pencil, whatever you have, and you're going to draw your face, your smile, and your eyes. Okay, and then when it's all glued and dried, when you put it on a table or a flat surface, it should rock a little bit. Okay, so that's our craft for today. Our next book is about a very snowy day and what our main character does on that snowy day. All situated. Okay, this is called Little Bee and the Snowy Day. And it is written by Daniel Rood. Snow, snow, and more snow. Bzz, yippee, says Little Bee. There's so many fun things to do on a snowy day. Come on, Bear, let's go outside and play. Snow covers the entire world. Fat, fluffy flakes keep falling from the sky. Little Bee's friends love snow just as much as she does. Crunch, stop, skedaddle. Hide and seek is tricky on a snowy day. Rabbit, bear, beaver, owl, deer, goose, soon everyone is here. Flap, swish, flap, swish. The friends make snow angels. How fun. Tickle, tingle, chilly fun. Let's catch snowflakes one by one. Whee! Oh, there they go, flying. Duck, Little Bee, duck. Uh-oh. Run, little ducks, run. That's a big snowball. Little Bee and her friends love to skate, spin, and twirl. Oops, don't fall. Can you see the one that fell? Right there. Who is under this blanket of snow? Let's dig and see. I found acorns and berries, said Bear. I found Little Bee, says Rabbit. Brr, it's cold. It's time to warm up. Everyone stops for hot chocolate. Delicious. What's next? I know, says Little Bee. Let's make a new friend. You're gonna make a new friend. What do you think they're making? And they do. Oh, look, they made a snowman in the shape of a bear. See you tomorrow. Fun. Okay. So those are my 2 stories that I have for you this week. Next week, we're going to talk penguins. So I have a few books that if you want to order through curbside or give us a call and we will get them ready for you. A couple of the books are Penguin and the Cupcake. Penguins don't wear sweaters. Fluff and Billy. And oh, this one looks interesting. It's called Lost and Found. I wonder who was lost or what was lost and how they find it. Okay, everyone, I'm so glad to be back, and I'm so glad you're here to listen to the stories. I'll be back next week. Are you ready to end our day? All right. Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.